Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how you can make your Instagram account private from business account. To do this, first of all, open your Instagram app. Then click on profile icon at the right bottom corner. Tap on it. Then click hamburger icon at the top right. Then click on settings and privacy menu. Then click on business tools and control. Then tap on switch type account. Switch to personal account. Then click on it. Now it will be converted to your personal account from where you can make your Instagram account private. To make Instagram private, you need to click on account center. Now to make Instagram account private, you need to find account privacy right here. Click on it and tap it. Now it will be converted to private account and all your information including post and all other data will be hide other people's. Please like, share and subscribe to our Pro Geeks channel.